What's the first thing you do when you wake up? If your answer is checking your phone, skipping breakfast, or chugging coffee on an empty stomach, you might be setting your testosterone up to fail before the day even starts. Your morning routine tells your body what kind of day to expect. And for men, especially over 25, it directly impacts your hormone production. Testosterone follows a natural rhythm. It peaks in the early morning hours. That's when your body is primed to produce, recover, and perform. But the wrong habits? They shut that system down fast. For example, waking up and scrolling your phone floods your brain with dopamine and stress. No movement, no sunlight, no hydration, and your testosterone starts in the red. Skipping food or loading up on sugar first thing. That spikes your insulin and throws off your blood sugar, which tanks energy and increases fat storage. And if you're not getting sunlight or movement in the first 60 minutes of your day, your body doesn't get the signal to optimize hormone production. It stays sluggish, and so do you. Want to flip the script? Start your morning with a tall glass of water and a short walk outside. Even 5 minutes of sunlight triggers healthy hormone signals. Get protein in your first meal, not just carbs. Eggs, avocado, sea moss, chia seeds all give your body the nutrients it needs to boost testosterone naturally. And skip the sugar-loaded breakfast and energy drinks. They'll spike and crash your system before noon. If you're serious about improving your drive, mood, and performance, your morning routine is the place to start. Like this video and subscribe to Men's Wellness Code for weekly tips that help you reset your hormones and take back